Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. This month we have been doing the sun salutation series. We have done like the sun salutation, the 12 asanas, the hatha style of sun salutation. Today we are going to do the sun salutation only but in Ashtanga style. Now what's the difference between hatha and Ashtanga? Well, Ashtanga is kind of a yogasana practice only, but there are specific ways and methods which we need to follow. So today we are going to do sun salutation in Ashtanga style. Can you imagine that sun is the only deity that we can see through our eyes? So it becomes easier to concentrate on the energies of such a power. So sun salutation is the one exercise or yogasana practice which helps us to meditate through the sun. And also in Ashtanga style, when we are doing the sun salutation, then we are actually energizing the heat of our body. We are actually initiating or activating the energy, the sun energy in our body. So this is also one very good kind of yogasana practice for warming your body up. So whenever you're going to start with any kind of yogasana practice or any kind of exercise, you can start with doing this hatha style sun salutation. As I told you that in Ashtanga style we follow some methods. In today's session also we are going to do a complete Ashtanga style class. So for that, first of all we need to enchant one mantra, because before starting any class of Ashtanga we need to enchant a mantra, which can be anything, whatever you like. But today what I am going to enchant is the mantra what I learnt in my yoga classes. So I hope you also enjoy this mantra and just get the power through this mantra. So we will just sit in any easy pose like this and we'll make a prayer pose like this. Then first I'll enchant this mantra. Om Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarshita Svatma Sukhavabodhe Nishreyase Janglikayamane Sansara Halahal Mohashantaye Abahu Purushakaram Shankhachakrasi Dharinam Sahasra Shirasansvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. So after this mantra, we are going to start with Ashtanga style sun salutation. So for that, we need to stand on our mat. So for this asana also, we'll stand in front of our mat like this in equal standing pose. So first asana which comes in Ashtanga style sun salutation is the Samasthiti or equal standing pose. So for that we'll keep our feet together, weight of our body equally on both our feet, like the pressure will be equally distributed, and the feet will be together, knees will be up, pulled up, belly button in and up, spine straight, and there should be a gap between your ears and shoulders. So shoulders will be rolled back and drop down like this. So this is the equal standing pose. Now for the next pose, that is Urdhva Hastasana, we will join our palms together, inhale, and we will take our hands up to the sky and we'll be looking towards our thumbs. Now to go into the next pose, we will exhale and bend forward without bending our spine. Now from here we'll exhale more and we'll bend more. We'll hold our shin bones. It's okay if you are reaching here.
that's fine, no issues. And if you are comfortable in this pose and can go further, then we'll be just making our knees straight, holding our ankles like this, and we'll be exhaling. We'll bend our elbows and take it out like this, and we'll go further and we'll try to touch our nose to the knees like this. Now inhale and put your hands to the mat and look up. Spine should be straight. This is Urdhva Uttanasana. Now from here, what we will do the next is we'll put both our palms on the mat like this, or we will walk back to the mat, keeping our feet at the hips width apart like this. Or else we can do one more thing from here. We will just bend our knees like this and we'll jump back to the mat like this, and we'll keep our feet apart. There should be a gap between your ears and the shoulders. Now from here we'll just bend our elbows, keeping it close. Now inhale and come in Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. So for this we'll be keeping our shoulders down, head up like this. Now from here we will tuck our toes and roll back on them like this, and we'll come in Adho Mukha Svanasana. We are keeping our fingers apart like open fingers so that we can get a good grip on the mat. Now from here we'll stretch back and we'll stay in this pose for 5 long deep breathing like this. With every exhalation, just try to get little more towards the mat. Your head should go towards the mat. Now from here we'll again shift our body weight to the hands, so we'll come like this. Now from here we'll bend our knees. We can just walk back to our hands like this, or else we can do one more thing. For that we'll just bend our knees and we'll jump. We'll keep our feet by the side of our hands and we'll come in Urdhva Uttanasana, spine straight, looking in front. Now from here exhale and go into Uttanasana. Now from here join your palms together. Inhale and come in Urdhva Hastasana. Now from here exhale and come in Samasthiti. So this is the one round of sun salutation. Now we'll do it in a flow. So just start it with me. First Samasthiti. Then join your hands. Inhale and come in Urdhva Hastasana. Raise your arms up. Look towards your thumbs. Now exhale and bend forward. Hold your ankles. Breathe out and go further in Uttanasana. Now inhale, look up, keep your spine straight. Look in front like this, fingers on the mat. Now from here keep your palms on the mat and walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. From here roll and come in Bhujangasana. In Ashtanga sun salutation we call it not Bhujangasana but upward facing dog or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now from here exhale, roll back on your toes and come in Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog, and we'll be holding in this pose for 5 long breathing. Now from here, walk back to your hands like this and come in Urdhva Uttanasana. Then exhale and bend in Uttanasana. Join your palms together, inhale and come in Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale and equal standing pose or Samasthiti. So today we did a class of Ashtanga style sun salutation. I hope you learned through this. Ashtanga style of Yogasana is very important to keep up the strength of your body. Hatha style gives us the flexibility while Ashtanga style gives us the strength. So whether we are doing any kind of Yogasana, if we are doing in Hatha style, then of course it is for strengthening the body and toning the body. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. As I told you earlier during the start of the session that every Ashtanga class has a specification. So it also need to be ended with enchanting one more mantra. So I'll enchant one mantra again. I hope you like it. So just close your eyes and just listen to this mantra. This is for the health of all the humans or the living being on this Mother Earth. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margen mahi mahisha gobrahmanebhyam shubhamastu nityam लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति. So we just pray for the well-being of all the creatures on this Mother Earth. And I hope you liked today's session. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.